Hey, it's your girl, Hopefully Supernovae, and I know I haven't been on this channel for quite some time. I've been here, I've been there, I've been kind of everywhere. But I've decided to do many things, and now I've made a decision to come back. So I hope you welcome me back with open arms and do a little pivot and have this channel be what I call the balm of the burn. Let me cook. So I have another channel. It's called This Supernovae. And that channel is more about the fire, the roar, the solar flares of truth, where I just speak whatever is happening, whatever I feel that comes from maybe my solar plexus, any and everything. I just speak it, I present it. Now, this channel, I am pivoting towards the balm, as I just said, and it will definitely be more of the calm, the resonance, the grounded cosmic lullaby. Yes. And how I plan to do that is use sound healing. And that's what I meant by I've been doing this, I've been doing that, I've been here, I've been there. So I'm going to incorporate some sound healing, and it should resonate with the fire from my other channel. So check out my other channel if you're ready for some solar plexus activation through truth within my own experiences. And then come right on back here and get your healing, be soothed, be calmed, be held like the Divine Mother holds you. This is a space for the womb. So I thank you for sticking it out with me, and I hope this pivot will embrace you